What's up, guys? Batchy here. We got Brandon. A lot of you guys been asking me what's going on with his finger, so we're here doing a little interview. Gonna show you guys Brandon's finger.
Somewhat.
Yep. So you had after the accident, you what? A couple days later, you had to go get some more X-rays. You had to get a physical or something?
Yeah.
You had to get a physical because you haven't had one of those in a long time.
Yeah. And at first it was like a runaround. They told me to call this doctor. They couldn't take me because of the insurance I have.
Of course.
So then it's like, I'll contact these guys. They never answered. So.
So you ended up going, where'd you have to go for your physical?
I went in Avon.
Avon. To like the doctor's office?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then from there, where'd you go? You had to go see a bone doctor, right?
Yep, in Rocky Hill.
Rocky, so you had to go all the way to Rocky Hill so they could what? Just do x-rays?
Doing x-rays again, let me know what they're going to do.
See if they could even save it or fix it or whatever. So when they did x-rays, what did they say? They said,
They said that it's fractured. Well, the bone was shattered.
Yeah.
There's like 3 bones. One of them was like completely gone, like broken. So he was like, oh, we could fuse them together and see if that would work. And I was like, I think that's the best option to do. Otherwise, they were going to just cut the tip off.
Like right where it was, because it was right there at the, you guys remember, it was like that one part that bends, the farthest little part on his pinky. So, there's bone in that part, or just one little bone?
There's a bone right here and a bone right here. This bone is shattered.
It's shattered in here and here? Both pieces, or?
No, just this bone right here.
Okay.
Connecting these 2 bones.
Alright. So, and they decided that they were going to do surgery. So, how long did you have to wait? So, you had to get the physical before surgery? Okay.
And another thing, though, is he did mention if somehow during the surgery the finger did turn black, then they would have to cut it off.
They're just going to cut it off.
Yes. Because that just means it's dead.
Right. So what did they do in the surgery? They just fused the bone back together and then stitched it back up?
And then they put 2 pins in to stabilize it.
Keep it straight?
Yes.
Now, do those ever come out? Or
yes.
How long? So you gotta get another surgery to get those out.
It's either they're going to put me back under, or they might just numb it and take them out.
So they put you under for the surgery? They put you to sleep?
Yeah.
Put the thing on you and told you
No,
to...
not the mask.
No? They just gave you an IV? They didn't even... The fuckers didn't even tell you, did they? Yeah. Say, I had surgery once too. And he's like, I see him over there putting something in there. And I'm like, oh, is that what's going to make me go to sleep? He's like, oh, no. This is just to help you relax a little bit. I says, oh.
Yeah.
I says, well, let me know, because I want to try to fight it. I want to see how long I can not sleep for. And they're like... all of a sudden, I was like, oh, I'm getting a little sleepy. Boom. Next thing I know, I'm waking up. I'm like, fuckers. Same thing for you.
Yes.
They didn't even tell you.
I was freaking out too because I know how some people wake up during the surgery. So I thought they were still doing the surgery because I looked and it was still covered.
Yeah.
And I was like, guys, I'm waking up. They're like, oh, it's fine. We're almost done anyways. So
they weren't even done yet?
No, they were done. They were just stitching it back together.
Oh, that's weird.
No, but I didn't feel nothing.
I'm sure they had you all numbed up.
Until I got home. Then it felt like a vice grip was like fucking crushing my pinky.
So like even now, like if you touch well, that's the wrong finger. Can you even see the other? Can you even see your pinky?
Yeah, see right there.
Down in there. Okay. Can you feel it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Like, I'm touching right now.
You can feel it? Well, that's good. At least you got feeling.
It has like a tingly feeling.
I figured you wouldn't be able to even feel anything. I'm glad they at least fixed it.
Right.
So, after surgery, that was it. Have you been to the doctor since or no?
They told me the next day that I did have the surgery. They said call up and get an appointment for it to get the stitches out.
Mm-hmm.
So I did. 2 weeks later, they're taking them out, which is going to be tomorrow.
Right?
Yes.
Make sure you get some pictures when you take your thing off. We got to get some pictures.
Even though it might be all gross here.
That's all right. Whatever.
Also,
Yeah, dude, you haven't been able to wash it for 2 weeks. Of course, it's going to be gross. Like it is what it is. Nobody's judging.
And
here.
then 6 weeks, I gotta get the pins taken out.
Gotcha.
So
Definitely.
that's like 4 weeks now.
Definitely, when they take your wrap off, tell the doctor, listen, I gotta get pictures of this thing.
And I want to see if I could get pictures of the X-ray too.
Right? Yes, of course you can. You should definitely. They should actually even give you a copy, and we could hold them up in my window or something and get pictures. That'd be cool too.
And you can see where it was fractured and what a normal one looks like.
Exactly. So there should be no issue.
No.
Be able to get some pictures of that. And
Right.
So tomorrow,
No.
they're just taking their stitches out. They don't gotta put you under for that or anything. So get pictures of it with your stitches.
Yeah.
Pictures of it after, so that way, I don't know. They'll probably wrap it back up.
Well, yeah.
They're probably gonna clean it too.
Yeah.
Whatever. But definitely try to get some pictures of it so that we can throw that in there and let me know too. I wish what time you're going at 2:30 tomorrow?
Yes.
I wish I could go. That way I could just little video taking them out. That'd be kind of cool, But
Right.
I gotta work, so that's not gonna happen.
No.
But otherwise, you've been all right. It doesn't. It's not like. I'm sure it hurts a little bit.
A little bit every now and then. I do feel like a little pressure.
Yeah.
Like how you say you're pushing down on your thumb.
Right.
Fingernail.
Yeah.
You get that feeling.
Yeah.
That's what it feels like.
Hmm.
But it goes away.
Your fingernail wasn't messed up or anything, was it?
I don't remember.
I'm trying to think because I think it got you underneath, but who knows if you're gonna lose your nail or I don't even know. I don't even remember.
Oh, you gotta look at the photo.
Yeah. So, all right. Well, I'm interested to see what it looks like tomorrow.
Right.
I'm sure everybody else is interested to see what it looks like tomorrow. Everybody, literally, every time I see somebody, they're like, "Oh, what happened to your buddy? Did he lose his finger? What's going on? Did they cut it off?" And I'm like, "All right, I know. I got to make another video."
Yeah.
So, yeah. But, all right, guys. Well, we'll catch back up maybe tomorrow once Brandon gets some pictures, and maybe we'll just end the video here, and we'll add some pictures in tomorrow. Once I get those, we'll get it all edited, and then in a couple weeks when he gets his pins taken out and everything, we'll get some more pictures, footage of that.
I'm pretty sure after they take the pins out, I don't think I'm gonna be in a cast anymore.
No, I don't think so. Well, yeah, I want to.
They might put that on, what is it, like a splinter?
A splint, yeah,
a splint.
Yeah, for a little while.
For a little while.
I mean, after they take it out, you're probably gonna have to do physical therapy.
Yes,
I'm sure. Moving your finger
and what I've heard too, just go there for one day, see what you can do, and then just don't go and just do it at home.
Mm-hmm.
We'll see.
I mean, if insurance covers it, you might as well do it. If insurance covers it, I mean, if it's costing you money, all right, yeah, I can understand that. But if insurance covers it, just go.
Right.
Plus, maybe you'll meet a good-looking chick, doing your physical therapy.
Right.
You never know. So.
Oh, and I know everywhere I go to, they ask me, what happened to your hand?
See, I told you, dude. Chicks dig scars, and when you're hurt, they're like, oh my god, this guy's like a badass or something. Yeah, they dig that stuff. So I don't know. We'll see what happens.
No.
I mean, everything I guess happens for a reason. Who knows? Maybe you'll like meet the girl of your dreams because of this. There. Who knows?
Who knows?
But you're, you know, as long as,
that's
as, long as they didn't
little-
cut your finger
That's
off.
gone a little too far.
Well,
mate.
you know,
You never know.
and you never know exactly. But I'm just glad your fingers,
Yeah.
you know, fixable and all right.
Right. Could have been a lot worse, like you said.
It definitely could have been worse. I mean, you could have had your whole arm underneath that
Or
thing
like,
something.
say, for some odd reason, I was looking underneath.
That's what I'm saying. You
there.
could have had your head in there or something. That's yeah.
And-
We don't even want to talk about
No.
it. You know, so thankfully, if you know
Right.
something for what happened, I'm thankful that it was
Just the pinky.
in the tip of it.
And
Like that.
it did kind of catch the
Just-
other.
It was just the tip.
No, the
Just the tip. Just the tip. No, what'd you say that was?
No, the other finger just kind of got
Like
like a
grazed
road
it a little bit,
rash.
yeah.
It kind of dented it in a little bit,
Yeah.
but nothing too major.
Nice. Well, all right. Well, let's fucking close this thing up.
Cheers.
Cheers, man. Well, cheers to you guys, little, you know, and yeah. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.
Later.